What's this? Apple. This is an apple. We eat apples. What's this? Bird. This is a little bird and is sitting on a fence. What's this? Hat. The hat sits on our head. Hat. What's this? Book. This is a book and has places that turn book. What's this? Car. The car drives on the road. This is a car. What's this? Balloon. There are several balloons here, and they're very pretty balloons. I like balloons.